What the hell is happening? Why is this so, like... There we go. Okay. Now we can actually see. Oh, shit. Okay, whose fridge is this? This is, This is Eli. This is Eli's fridge from probably, like, 3 weeks ago. What the... Okay. Right. So. We have... I see we have, like, ice or something up here. This looks like an ice pack of some sort. These, I don't know, like some frozen sausages, maybe, perhaps? Almost a month! I'm so sorry. It's fine. It's fine. I thought that was a brick. It looks like an ice pack to me. In here we have, I like how he has 1, 2, 3, 4 frozen pizzas and popcorn chicken and pierogies. He has like 3 boxes of pierogies. And then in between all of that absolute mess of unhealthy food, he has 3 TV dinners called Healthy Choice. Yep. Yep. Definitely healthy. We definitely healthy up in here. Man, the Red Baron pizzas are actually so good, though. I finally was able to try one. They're actually so good. And I love me some popcorn chicken and pierogies. I was gonna take a picture of Thanksgiving fridge, but I forgot. No! Yeah, you have to counteract the pizza. Yeah, with the healthy choice TV dinners. Yep. Yep. Oh my god. Oh, what the hell is this? Literally just a whole shelf of breakfast sandwiches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably 7, 8. There's like 9, there's like 10. There's like 10 or more freaking just ready to go breakfast sandwiches. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. That is amazing. Welcome in, Slasher. Oh, and we have more pizza. More pizza here. What the heck? With, like, what is this container? Have, like, rice or something in it, probably. And this can, probably an energy drink. Ooh, lemon meringue pudding. Yum. You can never have enough pizza. And applesauce. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. Like, I like applesauce, but the texture of it kind of puts me off. So it's like a love-hate relationship. I'm always conflicted when I eat it. Who put rice? I put rice in the fridge. What do you mean, leftover rice? We got some fancy Fairlife milk here. We got, oh my god, orange juice. Hell yeah. Let's go. We got Jell-O. We have Jell-O in the fridge. Let's go. We have Arnold drinks. What the heck? Is that energy drinks? Orange juice. Do you guys like orange juice with pulp or without pulp? I'm conflicted. I feel like the one with pulp tastes better, sort of, but the pulp kind of puts me off. So I usually get without. Yeah, I usually get without. Hell yeah, Slasher, let's go. Teagle with, Swan with. Why is the cheese where the butter goes? You know what? Actually, I put my cheese in that spot. I do put my cheese in that spot. Hell yeah, Eli, let's go. I put my cheese in the same spot. I don't know why, but I do. Wow. Hell yeah, Kiko Man. I have the exact same Kiko Man soy sauce in my fridge. Let's go. Let's go. We have ketchup, mustard, Jello and applesauce, mayonnaise. What is this? H1 steak sauce? No orange juice. Energy drinks. Katsuya's fridge is probably just all energy drinks. Pulp. Oh yeah, the pulp would add fiber. That's true. That's true. That's true. Oh my god, is this beer? And then we have lots of pop. Lots of pop. Look at those beautiful wooden floors. Damn. Beautiful wooden floors. Oh yeah, how clean is the fridge? Looks alright. Looks alright. Alright, what do we rate this? What do we rate this fridge? I mean, like... You know what? You know what I feel like is wrong with this fridge? It feels like there's nothing actually in the fridge. like you know what I mean? Like you need something. Well, I mean, like, yeah, you need something to eat. You know what it is? Actually, he just eats frozen food all the time. Like 10 pizzas out of 10, yeah. He just eats frozen every time he's hungry. He just goes and gets a frozen pizza, pops it in, and that's it. There's no meat or yeah, there's no meat, there's no pasta, there's no vegetables, there's no like fruit. It's all just frozen food and Jello and pudding. Just like my brother. Low key though, Kiko Man beats every soy sauce. Yeah, I like the Kiko Man soy sauce. But you know what is a really good soy sauce? Let me see if I can find it. It's called China Lily. Oh my god, it is like... China Lily soy sauce is so good. So good. No, I don't want to do that. What the hell? Open image and new tab. This soy sauce is actually so good. I mean, it's tiny on the screen. You can't really see it, but, this. This is delicious soy sauce. It is so good, in my opinion. Alright. Alright. I don't know. I would say Eli probably gets, like, 6 or 7 out of 10. Seems reasonable, yeah? seems reasonable. I can't believe there's like no freaking vegetables or anything. What the hell? I'm dead. Eli isn't here. I have to yell at him later. Be like, you wanted me to read your cringe stories so bad. And then you're not even in here. You're not even here. Yes, and you can. Anyone who didn't submit a fridge, you can submit one still, as we're going through them. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, this is Riss's fridge. Chef Riss on Discord. Wait a second. Eli's fridge didn't even have like a water in it either. Damn. Because I just seen these two beautiful cold jugs of water here. Right. Right, submitting my fridge right now. Hello, Crimson! So Eli just eats frozen foods, Jello, pudding, and soda. Sounds awesome. Yeah. Pizza, pierogies, healthy choice TV dinners. What do we got here? We got half a lemon. Man, lemon smells so good. I love squeezing a lemon and then my hands just smell like lemon. It's awesome. And these are, oh man. What are these, samosas? Samosas? They look like possibly samosas. Samosas are so good. Holy shit. So good. Oh, maybe empanadas. Maybe, let me look up empanada. Yep, they look more like empanadas, actually. I don't know if I've ever had an empanada. I don't know if I have. Damn. See, I don't know what's in these containers. I don't know what's in these containers. But this looks at least like a fridge you could open up, and if you're hungry, you just open up a container and take some random leftovers. I've had shark empanadas when I was in Mexico. What the heck? Damn. How did that taste? This looks like some kind of vegetable. So this is a bit healthier. We got some vegetable here. Oh, and then we got the vegetable drawer down here. I don't know what's in here. Looks like onions, maybe. This looks like... I don't know why, but this almost looks like ginger, but it could be potatoes. Shark? We got these beautiful jugs of water. Fresh water. Now I'm thirsty. Now, yeah, they look like potatoes. We got... This is like a very healthy looking fridge. Lots of... we have... I can tell this is more like probably fruit or more vegetables, possibly even on the side. We got... Oh, that looks like a strawberry jam jar at the bottom. Possibly. Looks like a strawberry jam. What is this? Oh, milk. This is a milk container. Where's the pizza? Where's the pizza? No, we got healthy foods up in here. Healthy foods. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, empanadas are kind of healthy, right? Kind of healthy. You know what these... Oh, these look... I was going to say they look like pomegranates, but maybe they're tomatoes because I see like leafy tops here. What do we rate this fridge? What do we rate it? I feel like I would also rate this like a 6 or 7. Who puts actual food in their fridge? Damn. Who puts already cooked food in the fridge? 3 out of 10 no pizza. Wow. Wow. What is this beauty? Whoa. I want this fridge. What the frick? Oh, this is my friend Aura's fridge. Wow. Like, this is like an actual fridge. Wowies. Alright. I am attaching more pics, not looking, so hold, wait, okay, right. We had 2 more fridges, alright. It has 2 doors. I'm too poor for 2 doors. Wow. Alright guys, we're gonna dive in. Let's see what is in Aura's fridge. What is this freaking mechanism here? What the hell? What is this? Moisture control? Water filter? Fridge temperature? Max cool air filter? Damn. Damn. Okay, at the top. This looks like Water. Oh, I'm in the way. Wait. This looks like water, but I have a feeling it's probably not. This looks like it could be a oh, it looks like the tubes of yogurt. This is This isn't a fridge. It's a spaceship. This looks like slices of cheese. This looks like leftover pasta. Yum. We got some delicious yogurt, healthy vanilla yogurt, baking soda in the background. We got ketchup. And on the side here, we have some sauce. I don't know what the sauce is. Oh, this looks like a ranch sauce in the middle. And then we have HP sauce. Wow. And on the other side, what's this? Cheese? I don't know. Jars of something. Some jars of something. Okay, the second shelf. I don't know what this is. Wow! It is indeed 3 cartons of eggs. Wow! And we got flatbread. It's so organized, it's beautiful. Oh yeah, these are vegetable containers. They're containers with vegetables. This looks like parsnip at the bottom, possibly carrots, and then like shredded vegetables of some sort in these containers. We have jam. Ooh, raspberry jam. Yum. This is soup broth. This is soup broth boxes. Look at all the cheese. Look at the cheese. Cheese. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I thought the parsnips were taquitos. No, they're parsnips. They're pretty yummy in stews. I could fit a whole Walmart in this fridge. And over here, ooh, we got more jam. This is a jam. I don't know what this is. There's more condiment sauces. Ooh, oh my god, a jar of Alfredo sauce. Hell yeah. Alfredo is delicious. Delicious. Oh my gosh. Oh, Stubbs barbecue. I like how Teagle noticed that. Okay, I assume that's what that is. Stubbs barbecue. Alright, going down. Do we have any more than this? Okay, no, this is the last shelf. Wow, oh my... Sweet potatoes. We have some sweet potatoes right over here. We have onion. I don't know if that's more sweet potatoes, but or regular. Those look like regular potatoes. I make homemade Alfredo sauce. Oh, that sounds yummy. I don't know how to make... Well, I mean, I never really looked up a recipe to make homemade Alfredo sauce, to be fair. But maybe I could. It just seems like it would be an expensive sauce to make, mostly because of the cheese. We have tomato, we have bell peppers. There's a jar of something here, more containers with more... Oh my god, this is a very healthy, delicious looking fridge, and it's like got... Oh my god, it has so much nice food. This looks like shredded, like, coleslaw sort of stuff, perhaps. And then we have more cheese. Oh, we have some sort of taco. Oh, probably taco cheese. They really like cheese. When you see my fridge, keep in mind that my dad makes scrambled eggs literally every day, and he makes them with 4 or 5. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay. What's over here? We have half and half cream. We have a bag of milk. This looks like it is potentially syrup in the background. And then mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Who doesn't like cheese? That is a good question. Cheese is delicious. Oh, okay, we can't see what's in here. There is some mysterious thing. Actually, you know what? It looks like more cheese. It looks like possibly another bag of cheese. Lots of cheese. Look at this, gorgeous. I think this has to be like a 9 out of 10, if not a 10 out of 10. Yep. I think so. Me think so. 0 out of 10, it's not a fridge, it's a spaceship. Gorgeous! Gorgeous! What is... This is an interesting way of, cooling your... Of having a cooler for your PC. What the frick, Tingle? What the heck? Ow! I freaking have a cramp. Hello, Laylair. Hello, welcome. What the hell is this? So much Diet Coke. Wait, this is like Jell-O. This is literally like Jell-O. Except his would literally just be all Diet Coke. Or Coke Zero. Beer, Coke, a beer Doke, and Xbox. This is beautiful in a hilarious way. He's even playing it! Why is there a TV? I am also wondering why is there a TV in the fridge. Oh, I hope your mom's okay, Sin. I hope she's gonna be okay. I mean, you know, normally you put food in the fridge, but I guess this works. Look, if you can't afford a cooler for your PC, you just pop it in the fridge and it's good to go. You pop it in the fridge, it's good to go. On a liquid diet, okay. A liquid diet plus apples and oranges. What kind of apples? Oh shit, you're right, that's an Xbox. Okay, if you can't afford a cooler for your Xbox, you just pop it in the fridge and away you go. Gala apples. Gala apples are alright. They're alright. Okay. I'm glad it's nothing, like, super serious. Or at least it sounds like it's nothing super serious. And hopefully she will be home soon. Because of that, the quality sucks. That's an Xbox, you think I can... Gala apples are okay. I like Honeycrisp. And then this new apple I tried, I think it's like apple... I literally think they're called apple cider apples. Apple cider apples. Cider apples. Oh, cider apples. Okay. I don't know. They're really good. They're really good. But I like Honeycrisp and then the new ones that I tried. We have LaCroix? What is this? What is this can right here? And then you have random marmalade. And Parmesan cheese. What are you putting the Parmesan cheese on the apple? And marmalade on the orange juice? Orange juice on the oranges? To mix with gamer subs. I see there's canned TV static in the door. What the hell? Oh yeah, well, oh. Hopefully there was nothing doxing on there. Anyways, real American beer. Let's go. Unsweetened pure leaf. I like how your fridge is literally stock full. Actually, you know what? It's all Diet Pop. Never mind, I take back what I was gonna say. I don't know why it just clicked that for some reason. It's all Diet Pop. I was gonna be like, you have all this pop and beer, and then you have unsweetened pure leaf, no sugar tea. We have Mountain Dew, 0 sugar, yummy. Hey, there's the Liquid Death. Liquid Death, let's go. Oh, okay, it's for the girlfriend. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Oh my god. LaCroix. Something orange. Wait, why do you have Parmesan cheese? Oh, this is Duff. Okay. I've never had that. Wow, he actually has water. Oh my god, there's water in the fridge. I need some food. Tigo's like, I'm hungry, and he just gets this thing of Parmesan cheese and just like takes spoonfuls right into his mouth. As he's playing on his Xbox in the fridge. Living the life. Living the life. Spoon? Oh yeah, never mind the spoon. He just opens the thing and just pours it. Pours cheese directly into mouth. Yum. Yum, stinky Parmesan cheese. The frick? What do we rate this fridge? What are we rating? It's gotta be a 2 out of 10. I'll be generous. This is the peach something. Bootlegger. 10 out of 10. Yeah, 100 out of 100. Pure genius. Oh my gosh. What is this? What is this? Country Crock Original. Oh, it's butter, okay. It's butter. It's butter. 9 out of 10. No energy drink. 5 out of 10 extra points for the game system. Oh, margarine. Margarine butter. Same thing, basically. Almost. Okay, the next fridge is, I believe, Crimson's. Ahem. Crimson, are you okay? No. I mean, there's 11 out of 10. All of the bottles are alcohol? What? What is this? Why does that... Why did I see... Literally looked at that and I thought it said sperm cream. I'm not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. Oh, sippin' cream! It's also... Okay, it's also alcoholic. Okay. And what is this? Packs of mustard? You just have a bottle of alcohol, squeeze some mustard from store sandwiches. Okay, oh, okay, packs of mustard and mayonnaise right up here. Beautiful. Okay, we do have some food. Okay, we have this. Oh, you can't see. This looks like some kind of taco thing, possibly. 2 beef. Oh, 2 beef and bean burritos. Okay, I was close. I was close. Might eat those tonight. Lots of ice. We have lots of ice. I think it's like shredded ice or something. And then the first shelf has nothing. Very clean. Very, very clean, though. At least from what I... never mind. Never mind. It was clean, and then I see, like, onion shavings at the back there or something. Oh, we have water. We have water. We have a single cup of water. Yep, to go with all the alcohol. To make sure... to make sure we have all the stuff to put down with the alcohol. Old Smoke Tennessee whiskey. Orange. Vodka. Hello, Monkey Wrench! I don't know what this is. Ozeki. Oh, sake. We have sake. This one here is sake. Oh my... Where's the food? Other than the burrito? I didn't clean it out or anything either. This is actually default for my fridge. Maybe a pizza box on the top shelf. Wait! What? Do you eat takeout all the time? Hey! Look, it's me! No way! Pizza and trail mix. Delicious. I didn't sniff no flowers. No, it's because I'm Hoshi the red-nosed Wolpertinger for Christmas. The meal of champions. What are we rating? What is this rating of a fridge? Hey, we have another fridge! Men out of 10. Man out of 10. Okay. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Hold on. Okay. I give no food, but still have chips. Chippies. What kind of chips? Tanja? I think I had Tanja before. Yeah. Oh yeah, I did. Because yeah, you can make like those text-to-speech things. Yup. Yup. Alright, this gets a man out of 10 rating. Next up is Sin. This is beautiful again. This is beautiful! Oh my god, it's like... it's like Aura's fridge. Wow! He's like Eli, he has the healthy choice. Look at that. He has healthy choice TV dinners right here. Let's go. Orange chicken. Oh my god, those look actually so good. Razzleberry fruit pie? What? I know, we go from like empty fridge to packed full. Packed. Waffle fries? Damn. Damn. Yeah, we have waffle fries. Inside here looks like it could possibly be burger patties. The fries and chicken are for my poutine. Oh, you make poutine with waffle fries. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, is there a shelf over here? Oh, yeah. Oh. Toaster strudels! Cream cheese and strawberry, excuse me? That sounds delicious. What the hell? And what's this box? Feeding epic days. And wilder lives. Toaster strudels! Bubba burgers. Oh, is that what's in this box? Okay, Teagle! Have a good dinner! Those are Mom's. I have Wildberry. That box is protein waffles. Oh, okay, okay. Oh my god, these toaster I want the toaster strudels. I love toaster strudels. They are so good. Have a good night, Teagle! Okay, second part of the freezer. We have lots of ice. Oh, here's the mixed berry strudels. Oh, blueberry waffles. Jello would be proud. In the container was... Oh, cookie dough. Okay, okay. What's this? More mixed berry toaster strudels. Oh my gosh. And it's so clean! Damn. It's so clean! What's here? Brussels sprouts! I'm just kidding. Brussels sprouts can actually be really good if you do them properly. Mixed vegetables. Oh, it's a pretty new fridge. Okay, okay. So what you're saying is usually it's dirty. Usually your fridge is dirty. Okay, got it. Look at all this butter. Holy frick. That's a lot of... Oh, there's sticks of butter. Okay, now I know what you mean by your... Your dad uses a lot of butter. Okay. Alright. Yum. Yum butter. Yeah, Dad needs butter for the eggs. Hey, Chick-fil-A, let's go. Chick-fil-A. Non-diet pop. Tisk, tisk. What is this? Cranberry sauce? I don't know why it looks like cranberries to me. We have some water here. We have some kind of juice. Some strawberry milk? Blueberry jam, let's go. Blueberry jam. Oh, your dad drinks the normal Coke. Okay. Oh, here's the strawberry drink again. Kefir strawberry. Oh, it's not blueberry. Oh. The wild berry. Hell yeah, Shadow! Let's go with the Stream Award badge! Let's go! Whole milk. Hell yeah. Whole milk for the win. 3.5. Oh, blackberry jam. I've never tried blackberry jam. Now I want to try it. We have whipped cream. We have some stuff in a container. Looks like stuffing. I'm probably wrong. We have cheese. Damn. Oh my god, look at all the French vanilla creamer. Wow. Whole milk is the best. I agree. Yep. I agree. Iron Mouse is with Connor? It's stuffing. Okay. Yum stuffing with gravy. Chalky milk. Oh, we have chocolate milk right here. That's my fault, the creamer. Damn, why so much creamer? We have corn. Is this squash? Looks like squash. Cream cheese here at the bottom. Lettuce. I use a lot. Pickles. Oh, it's a pickle. Okay, it's a pickle jug. Okay. Yum. Yum. Okay, I forgot to look on the side of the thing. Holy eggs! Wait, this is actually, Aura had 3 cartons of eggs, but I think she had the smaller one. That's funny. So many eggs and cheese. Yummy. Cheese. Needs caffeine, but can't drink it black. Yeah, I can't drink black coffee. I cannot do it. We have, this looks like some, like, Pillsbury Doughboy kind of container thing, but I'm not sure. Condiments, ranch sauce. Look at the butter above my head. Pretty sure it's butter. Look at all the butter. Oh my god. Use like half a stick of butter with all the eggs. Damn. Oh, croissants. Okay, yes. I was gonna say it's probably like the Pillsbury Doughboy croissants. Yum. Yum. We got Miracle Whip mayonnaise. Lots of condiments. Oh my goodness. We got muscle milk for that muscle. More French vanilla creamer. Oh my god. That's like Jell-O with all... He freaking gets like 5 2-liter pops. Oh my gosh. Damn. Oh, and then we have lactose-free creamer at the bottom. Yep. Yep. Can you believe my dad has high cholesterol? Damn, no way. No way. Would have never thought that. Holy frick. I think this is another 9 or 10 out of 10 fridge. Damn. What do you guys think we rate this fridge? Holy poop. No, that's just milk. Okay. Okay, it's just milk. Makes sense, actually, because, yeah, the carton looks different. 10 out of 10? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, and then the last fridge is Ketsuya. Ketsuya has a double door fridge. Oh damn, Ketsuya, we didn't know you were rich. Wait, I'm self-hydrating, hold on. Damn, Ketsuya out here with the rich, with the 2-door fridge. Oh, your brother is rich. Okay. Okay. Got it. Damn. This looks beautiful. I am not gonna know what any of this stuff is, I bet. Like, what is Krakus? Yeah. Oh my god, you're right, he does. What? You guys eat so many eggs? What the heck? I, like, never have eggs. I never have eggs. Mostly because I don't really have breakfast anymore, but yeah. Oh, frozen pizza. Something like Spam? Oh, okay. And then this is like... Oh, and then this is like canned peaches. Yum. Ooh, what is this? A pork tenderloin? Like a frozen pork tenderloin or something? We have frozen pizza. Damn. Damn. I don't know. These bags have some kind of more frozen veggies in it. This is... Where's all the energy drinks? This is not Ketsuya's fridge. There's no energy drinks in here. It's too healthy. This is too healthy. A pork neck. Okay. At least I got the meat type right. I have them next to me. Okay. We got some stuff on this shelf here. I don't know what any of it is. Except that these look like meat packs. And these are obviously 3 cartons of eggs. More meat. Delicious. Delicious. Oh yeah, what's on the sides? Oh my god, 13 half-liter cans and 2.25-liter cans. Damn. Damn. What's over here? I think there's actually even more eggs on the thing here. And this is... I was gonna say a coconut. Like half of a coconut. But it also looks like it could be a dragon fruit, sort of. It's like dragon fruit shaped, but not... It doesn't have, like, all those little seeds in it. Oh, it's an onion. Okay. It's an onion. Is this a pot of rice? And then there's another pot of food in the back. Bread, hell yeah. Bread in the fridge. I always put my bread in the fridge now, too. Wow. This is actually a very nice fridge. Look at all that meat. Holy. This looks like a tomato or possibly another onion on the side. Some kind of sauce in the back. Ooh, it's a pot of cauliflower soup and tomato soup. Yum. That sounds good. Oh, we have, this is tomato sauce here. I believe. Passata. Passata. Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. And then we have drawers with possibly lots of vegetables in them. I assume it is vegetables. We have shelves. A lot of vegetables. Awesome. Oh, is there an energy drink on the door? Yeah? Is Slasher right? This one here, possibly? Reason we have so much creamer is because I have 3 cups of coffee in the morning and almost half my mug is creamer. Holy moly! Damn, Sin. That is a lot of coffee. It's a beer. Okay. Not an energy drink, it's a beer. I mean, yeah, it does kind of have a beer vibe going on there. We have some condiments. We have Maleko. Whatever Maleko is. Milk? Is it milk? Maleko? Milk? I'm totally saying it right? Maleko is milk. Okay, makes sense. That makes sense. I need to cut back to 2 cups. Would probably serve your health well. It would probably. But you know. And it's a start. Oh, only 2 cups? Damn. What do we rate Katsuya's fridge? Wow. I maybe would go with like 8 out of 10. Right? Damn. Maybe even the same, like 9. Wow. 5 cups of 50-50 coffee a day is... Oh my gosh. Too much caffeine. Too much. Right? Right? Always saying I don't give the mods food. Well, this is the mod basement fridge, okay? Katsuya leaked the mod basement fridge. This is it. This is it.